What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we quit overlanding. We took the bed rack off, we took the tent off, we are done. I revolt against the overland propaganda. So let's get into today's video. I'm making a nice little drawer system with my old man, and it's gonna be cool. So like you guys know, the old guys just like to get shit done. So we started on it before I got to filming. So this is what we got so far. We got the first little platform area all cut and ready to go. And I fucked up and got the wrong size screws. So I gotta go head over to Ace Hardware right now. I can put my shirt back on. It's pretty hot outside right now. What do you think about the old man's work truck? Pretty cool little Ford. All right, everybody, we finally got to camp, and it is looking gorgeous out here today right now. And we got the final build all set up. Let me get into it and show you guys what we've been up to for last week. All right, so this is what we got going on. Look how beautiful this is. So we got our nice platform set up right here. She's looking good. Okay, so this is what we got going on right now. So we got our nice little custom platform. If you guys want any details on the platform, throw it down in the comments and I'll give you guys the schematics. But it's looking really good. I'm really surprised on how it turned out, honestly. We wrapped it fully in carpet. We have two cases right here in this slot and down in this slot too. So we are running two ammo cases. So this one's mostly like my kitchen camping stuff, and then my tools is shoved down back there. It's still reachable, but we don't use that one as much because Chevys never break. So she's down over there. We got the power bank right up here. So this one controls that light bar up there for Caitlin's reading and crochet and knitting things. It is hooked up to a light switch that I have kind of on a magnet over in the corner right there. And then that's just connected to this guy. I have another light bar I'm gonna be putting up here.
We'll go right there on that one. Oh, you want to do that one now?
No, I'll probably do that one right there. Kind of shooting down at camp while making food and whatnot, kind of in this area. All right, so once you move the power bank right there, we have the air compressor. So the air compressor is kind of tucked away all nicely down back there. And then the case, like I said, full of tools in there, so it fits all nicely in this little area. And then we have, let's see what else we got. We got this nice thing. So this is actually by Billy Bars. They sent me out this to try out on the truck, and honestly, so far I'm loving it. You know, us guys trying to get in the truck with our old knees, you know, sometimes it really hurts, and this really helps it. It's a nice neoprene foam, nice and soft, and it's really durable, I've heard. And then we got two cup holders. Because let's be honest, the Chevy Stowflex deal is kind of a scam. It never really worked. It was not waterproof. And yeah, it was just kind of a waste of space, and it hurt my knees when I got in the truck. So now we have a nice little foam mat to hop into the nice cozy mattress.
And to put your road sodies in.
Yep, so it fits all your cup holders. Let's be honest, the Chevy tailgate that has a little indent of the cup holder isn't really a cup holder. So now we got two cup holders, and it's, you know, really nice to sit on and hang out. So now we have like a full bunch of square footage right here.
Mobile command center here.
Yeah, we got a bunch of square footage to, you know, make
work
dinner
with
and work on. So and then, like you saw earlier, we have the fairy lights all wrapped around the poles, and that's on a nice remote right here that has a magnet on the back side that you can pretty much magnetize anywhere in the bed. So, you know, when you're tired,
put it on there so we can see. You're like,
well, so it can magnetize wherever you want, wherever it needs to be. Whenever you're drunk and you just want to go to bed, you hit the button, fall asleep. So that's a really nice feature I added into this kind of setup right here.
And we need more patches. to add. We've got a few.
We have more patches, so we're going a lot more places. And
the patches stick better here than they do on the inside of the truck, but
yeah, they like to fall off on the inside of the truck, so now I have them. Most
a
of
nice
them right
place
here.
to put them.
And then underneath all this, I have the Lasfit bed floor mat, and honestly, it's really nice. It makes so this actual platform doesn't slide back and forth. So really loving how this one fits. The fit and finish on it is really, really good. What do you guys think?
Very cozy, but we need to get the extender.
Yeah, I'll talk to you guys about that in the morning. I'm a little drunk right now and it's raining, so see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We slept like shit. Let me get out of here and we'll talk about how she did last night.
I'm not gonna eat on camera.
All right, everybody. So we are all packed up and ready to go hit Broken Arrow Trail, kind of give the rundown with the Stage 5 Icon kit. Really haven't hit any, like, you know, very official trails with the Icon kit. As it goes for the camping setup platform deal, it's pretty nice. I'm digging it. I have definitely slept worse in a rooftop tent. We do have our little extender piece that's going to come out like that. It is getting delivered here today, so it's kind of a bummer that we don't have it right now, but we slept decently back there. At least I did. Slept decently. I'm 6 foot and I have a 5 foot bed, and it kind of worked. But so far I'm loving it. So this Billy Bars platform, I'm really digging it. It's really nice. I'm trying to figure out how we can kind of clean this. Someone stepped on it with their shoe last night and it's kind of just on there. I think just water will do, but we don't have any pressurized water right now. But this is honestly my favorite thing. So definitely check these guys out, billybars.com, and you can get yourself a nice tailgate mat, because let's be honest, Stoveflex, it's kind of a scam. But as it is for the inside, we got everything all packed up. We are packed to the brim, and this is all waterproof, dustproof, and everything, so it's not going to get all dirty hitting the road. And like you saw me making breakfast this morning on the nice new table with the new fire maple Kate got me for my birthday. I got the little fire maple stove, and I'm liking it a lot better than the big old hunky clunky Coleman. So yeah, everything's a lot more simple and I'm digging it. And kind of check out how it looks on the truck. I'll give you a little side shot here. All right, so that is kind of like the side view of the setup, and I like it. I really do. It's kind of like an old school vibey type of deal with the soft topper on the back. These are really cool because they're made in Boulder, Colorado. So definitely check these guys out if you're looking for a soft topper. I'm digging it. And that is the setup. And yeah, like I said, we'll probably sleep a little bit better when we get the extender piece that extends past the tailgate. So the extender will kind of be right here. It'll flip down onto here, and then I have the little annex type of deal that comes down to the corner of the tailgate, and then we'll be able to have an extra 6 feet of room. Me, Caitlin, and Finn slept pretty decent back here, and I still love the cool lights. Loving the lights in this thing. For the mattress we have this Amazon type of mattress. It's blow up and memory foam, and it's pretty comfy last night. It is 6 foot long, so it is kind of up there. It's kind of up there, folded up right now, but it was pretty comfy last night. It's a lot more comfy than the rooftop tent mattresses, I would have to say. Foam and cushion. So that's the setup. So we did wake up last night and there was a little bit of condensation on the top of the soft topper, so I don't really know what we're gonna do about that one, but it's not that big of a deal. It dried out right now, so we're all good. It rained last night. We did not get wet, but there was condensation from our breathing and everything on the windows, the front window right here, this little window, and the top, the soft topper. But let me know in the comments what you guys think and how we can not make that happen. I'm not sure if I need a condensation mat, but that wouldn't really make sense about the roof, but I don't know. Let me know. One thing I do love about waking up with the soft topper is you have this window right here, so you wake up and you just see the nice beautiful view of whatever you're backed up to, and it's pretty cool. One of the best things about this truck, the MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust. You. All right, everybody, that's about it for this week's video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about the new setup and what's going on. And you know, I really just did it for weight, but I'm kind of digging the new simple life. You know what I mean? So like, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out DOWNTIMELOST.com. Check out the sweet merch we got. And I love you guys so much. We're gonna go hit Broken Arrow. That's gonna be next week's video, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. Peace out and have a good night. Take it easy.